roundabout, take the second exit.
Big works just like Spine's Head. You've not seen this one yet?
At the roundabout, take the second exit to Matthew Ford Way.